This is Bond villain stuff. Oh my God.
Oh, we're gonna go into a new business, Garrett.
I love gold.
There's nothing more luxurious or off-brand for this channel than food dipped in gold. So today we're gonna be recreating the most expensive chicken wings in the world, these 24-karat golden chicken wings that were created at the Ainsworth Sports Bar in New York City. And backed by popular demand, someone who knows a lot about meat, Mr. Jarrett Sleeper.
Such a pleasure to meet you this morning.
Oh, that's
Erin.
so good.
Hi, I'm Jarrett Sleeper. I was a whole animal butcher for some time. Spent a lot of time cutting up chickens, so...
Have you ever dipped them in gold?
No, I'm morally opposed to the idea, but here we are.
For this recipe, you'll need chicken wings, vegetable oil, garlic powder, onion powder, honey, mustard, edible gold confections, and 24-karat edible gold leaf. So you just pour this up.
Vegetable oil?
Or you could use any other oil that you like. Apparently,
Yep.
Jarrett doesn't like vegetable
No,
oil.
I don't like vegetable oil because I think you'd need a lot of processing to get the oil out of it. I prefer lard, frankly, or peanut oil is very tasty, at least when you're frying, if you're not allergic to peanuts.
That's what Chick-fil-A uses.
Yeah, it is like the traditional fry, because I feel like peanuts are from the South.
Yeah, they are.
You
My
know?
uncle owned a peanut farm.
Yeah.
True story.
The urban legend never stops getting good.
I made a list of 50 weird facts about me, and there were like 100. You want your sauce to be gold, so it looks extra gold when you wallow your meat in your gold toppings.
Shoot.
So I found the best combination to be honey and mustard.
Just that's it?
Yeah, so
Okay,
I'm gonna go ahead and get the sauce mixed up right now.
sure.
So this will be our sauce.
That'll be great. I think this is gonna be good sauce.
I'm not measuring anything.
You don't need to. Just
Alright.
kind of eyeball things. That's how
what
I do it.
That's what I thought.
What's happening with these wings? Did you brine these wings?
Did I what them?
That's okay. Chicken wings are already so like flavorful. There's so much like connective tissue and like fat and stuff and bones in them and skin that like you don't really need that much, but
You lost me at connective tissue.
we just season those bad boys.
Yeah, we're gonna season these.
You're gonna start dumping things. What do we got?
Does it matter? Onion powder?
That sounds good.
You just tell me when. Oh, this is so fun. Okay,
Yeah,
is that good?
That's good.
It smells
Just hit
very
it.
oniony.
I always just hit it pretty hard with spices, and it can be like whatever you like, you know?
Then some salt.
Yeah, let's do salt for sure. Lots of salt. Hit it hard.
I feel like salt is one of my favorite.
Yeah,
Food
salt's
items.
magical. It's the only rock that we eat. Well, except gold, apparently.
It is a rock. I didn't
Isn't that
really,
weird?
Yeah, I don't think of it like that. And then some pepper.
Peppa!
The thing about these grinders, it just takes so much work, you know, just to
I
get a
know.
little
But
bit
it's
out.
fun. It makes a huge difference, too.
Then regular pepper.
Yes, huge, huge. Yeah, there we go. So that's good. They're pretty like coated and happy in there.
So these cook for about 8 to 10 minutes,
Cool.
depending on how many we have, but we have quite a few. So let's put them all in there. Ready?
Yeah, very exciting. Yeah, just put it.
Is it okay?
Yeah, go. Gently. There you go. And it's frying. And we're frying. That's so exciting.
Isn't it?
Deep
so
frying is
satisfying?
just so wonderful. All right,
I'm gonna set a timer.
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Okay. Okay, now that we have cooked our wings, we've deep fried them. We actually did a couple without seasoning because I noticed when we did it this time
Yeah.
that it got a little extra dark, which, you know.
Well, it's not bad. It's like, you get more of a charry flavor too, but like, you'll get more flavor in general. Because it's the garlic and the onion powder.
That
Didn't think it
burns
through.
a little bit too
Yeah,
much,
it's
but I
got a
think it'll
lower
be good.
burning point, whatever.
So now we're gonna mix our wings and our sauce that's perfectly golden, and I'm gonna put a little bit in here
Let's
first.
do the chicken wings first, and then you can drizzle it, and then we'll toss it.
Okay,
Chicken wings go in.
I'll take
Get
this
rid of
ugly
that.
thing. And so now I put a little sauce.
Yeah, dump like half of it, I'd suggest. Let's see what it looks like.
Ooh.
Ooh, yeah. Honey mustard wing.
And then you get it tossed pretty well. You're really good at this.
You gotta get a bowl that's twice as big as you think you're gonna need anytime you're making wings, salad, like anything.
Yeah.
Because it's like, you're gonna need space. All right, let's add some gold.
All right. You wanna do some gold now?
Yeah, look, it's already kind of gold.
I know, I spent a lot of time perfecting my sauce.
Wow, beautiful. Smells good too.
I ordered a bunch of different gold from YouTubers online who have done this before me.
Okay.
This one does say for decoration only, but I'm gonna ignore that. So that's how you know
Well,
it's
does
good.
it really? 20 decoration?
I wonder if
But it's from a
Pharaoh signed
cake
off on
brand,
that.
so
After all we've eaten on these shows, I feel like this we're gonna be good.
We're eating gold when we're another eating
All right,
metal.
I'm gonna do a little bit because a little bit goes a long way.
I'm just gonna toss while you do that.
Okay.
Ooh, wow.
Do you see it?
It's already very gold.
I know. The gold flake or the.
I think you just gotta dump it in there.
No.
If you want it to be gold,
no, you need
look
to
at this.
trust me.
Okay,
trust
fine.
Me.
I'm trusting you.
I'm the expert here, okay?
Oh my God, that's
Okay.
very gold. Well, that's extremely gold. This is disturbing.
Oh, I can't wait to
Wow,
eat it.
dude.
Yes.
This is crazy. This is Bondville and stuff. Oh my God.
Oh, we're gonna go into a new business, Garrett.
I love gold.
Wow.
I mean, those are gold wings.
Yeah.
This is insane.
I know. This
Are
is
you
the
sure
best.
we can eat this? I guess.
I mean, it does say decoration
Should we
only.
Google that?
It does say 24 karat gold.
But it's
dust.
from a cake company.
We're gonna be fine. I got it on Etsy. Okay, now we have to do the gold leaf before our guests are
Okay,
angry.
it's very fragile. Okay.
Look at how
Very
freaking sexy that is.
fragile.
And I'm gonna just lift it up like this. Oh crap. Oh no. You want me to help?
No. There's like the AC is like.
You
there.
needed my help.
We're gonna do one good one.
Well, I did buy the one that got free shipping, so that's probably why it's not as good. Yes, Jared, just place it right. Yes, perfection. Yes, sir.
Doing.
I am making it pretty.
I thought you wanted. Don't you want it to try to look like as sheety as possible? Sheety. Wow, this looks quite sheety.
This looks shitty.
This is
over
plated in the style of sheety.
All right, we're all done with our wings. They look amazing. They
They
I
do
have to
look
say,
amazing.
I think they look better than the Ainsworth sports bar.
I agree.
So now what we're gonna do is take our creation and serve it to all of our fellow friends at Clevver and see who will eat these. I feel like some people won't eat these.
I definitely want to try it.
Okay, you can have one, but we have to serve our guests first.
Okay.
Oh, Jocelyn!
Jocelyn.
Oh, excuse me. What do we have here? Oh, salutations.
Salutations.
Good day.
You ordered the
Good
gold
day,
wings.
milady.
Oh, you have a bow
Regina.
tie. What else is on here? Peanut butter?
Honey mustard.
Lots of salt. You love that.
I think this tastes great.
What does it taste like?
Honey mustard.
Yeah.
Nailed it.
It's
sorry.
cold. It's cold gold. That's true. That's what you meant. It's cold.
That's a no. It's a no.
That's a straight up no.
It's a no.
It's a very elevated
You just
palate required.
Ran away. That is
Yeah,
so
yeah,
rude.
yeah.
Rich people would never be okay with
People
that.
are afraid of abundance.
You know?
Okay, what's on here?
Gold.
Don't tell me.
24 karat gold.
It is 24 karat.
Okay.
Your mustache has gold in it now.
Great. It kind of already did.
If you had to change something, what would you change?
It tastes a little metallic. Am I crazy?
Does it taste Italian? I don't know. We haven't tried it
I
yet.
haven't tried
You
it.
haven't tried these?
No, we're going to.
No, we're testing it on you guys first.
Okay, it tasted good to begin with. Now it kind of tastes like nails, like screws.
Is this like eyeshadow?
It
Oh,
works
could
as
be
that.
a highlighter.
Not that this is my eye.
That's a bone, Miriam.
Have you eaten chicken wings before?
Not gold one. What the
That's
hell
fair.
is it? Is there honey?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's fun.
That was the richest. I'm done with this. Ugh.
We have raised a golden chicken for you.
Yes, we killed the golden.
you
We've heard of
like
the golden
chicken?
goose.
Yes,
Do you like wings?
I love
Do you like honey mustard?
it. Love
Do
it.
you like gold?
Always.
Okay, you're gonna be in it for a treat.
Okay. It's sweet,
Yeah.
salty,
Uh-huh.
savory,
Oh.
and it's cute.
Oh.
So like I'm cute while
She
eating
likes
it.
it. Lily!
Milady Hills,
Milady Lily!
if it please thee.
Chris, you're so loud. I didn't have to dinner.
We're so excited to serve you.
Yes. Oh yes.
With servants.
How does one cook with gold?
Well, you must fire up the dwarven forges, and you melt the most expensive of golds.
Okay,
I
no,
don't know.
No, that's
You don't. That's it.
what you're
That's
supposed to be
it?
doing your job.
No, here,
You're
bone
too
ball.
much in
Oh, I'm
the role
sorry.
play. Now that we've
guess-
served our guests, which is how true hosts should be,
Right.
we're gonna try this ourselves. Are you ready?
I am. Do you have a preference?
I like the small one.
Okay.
Which one has the most tendons on it?
I just take the small one.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
just
yeah,
don't
yeah.
like tendons.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh wow, that's actually really good. It's not $50 good.
You really can't taste it at all.
No. Oh, this is fun. I'm gonna do this for
Might
like
be
my
a little
next
like
party.
textural. Do you feel like it's dusty? I'm not making that up. I mean,
It's
like,
a little dry. It has like a dry texture on top. I think we nailed it.
we did a really good job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. that's a wrap for this episode of What's Flavor. Let us know if you've tried these at the Ainsworth in New York City. I am really curious if you like them. And subscribe. Don't forget to do that. And also let us know what else we should cook on this show and what else Jarrett should come back and teach us how to do.
Okay.
Okay? All right, you guys. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
And click that box to watch another yummy episode of What the Flavor, where we make frozen dinners gourmet.